any bad because this is like 500 meters below, not below, beyond sea level. 500 meters beyond sea level. Now, guys, you can see this is now 1,000 meters, 1 kilometer away. You know we call this Namodekwa. Pepo. Go look for Pepo. What's the meaning? If you don't understand Swahili. See that white thing? Director, put them times on the camera. There's times too. That white thing is international waters. But before international waters were around. International water. Desire to be better. In between the person you are and the person you want to be, there's a desire to be better. And go. Now we have to go back. Director, you can do it. We have to go back again. So this is it. Me, I forgot how to float. I know to swim, but how to, because of floating is swimming, I don't know. But even the video director, even the person behind the camera doesn't know how to float. So we are in trouble. We are just waiting for international waters to come so that we can go. But as you can see, these individuals, I don't know if they are Kenyans. Wamesema wanataka kuenda huko. Hawana mashati, wako tu na short. Siendi na yangu.